Hello from Stockholm, Sweden. This is Stora Flatenbadet and it's time for the second beach day of this season on this 7th of March 2025. What a wonderful sunny day we have, and the lake Flaten has already melted down from the ice that was covered in. And today I decided to show you Stora Flatenbadet that I usually avoid during the hot summer months, as it is one of the biggest sandy beach in Stockholm. As you can see, there is a huge part of sand there, and there are 3 jetties with a jumping tower that I'm not going to jump on today because it is only 5 degrees Celsius in the water as I have measured, so a bit warmer than Lake Dreviken that I have dipped in yesterday, where it was 3. We have 12 degrees Celsius in the air, so almost same as yesterday, and pure sun, which made me come here, even though I have other things to do, as in 4 hours it will start the dress rehearsal for the Melody Festival in 2025, where I'm going to attend live. So I really need to wrap up this episode and head back home with my gravel bike that I haven't shown you yesterday, but obviously I am going beach adventuring with my bicycle. And today it was 9 kilometers to get here one way, so I need to cycle that much home as well. There is my Scott gravel bike, and you can see also parts of the forest here in the nature reserve, Flaten, that is. So yes, now I'm not just gonna go to the Melody Festival tonight, but also tomorrow I'm going to be traveling to another country, actually to 2 countries. But I'm not really sure if I'm gonna make any videos in there, but let's see. I might find some beaches there as well, but that means that the Sweden Beach Adventures will be paused for a while, and we will resume it when I'm back to Stockholm. So yes, thank you so much for all the new subscribers that I have gotten recently. I think I have now 20,600 subscribers, and also 5 members of this channel. So special thanks to my subscribers, and next to special thanks to my members, and thanks for being part of my journey. Not just the beach adventures that I'm doing every day, but also my dances that I post as shorts on my channel, as I have 2 different types of content on this channel. Long content, long form, these videos, which are beach adventures, and then short form content, which are my dances, fun facts, trivia, and those kind of stuff, mostly related to Eurovision, but also to some other things occasionally. Anyway, let's get ready, as they have actually taken out all of the steps, and they have covered them up in something so that you cannot cut them. But I see one over there that is still standing, and that I'm gonna use. And for some reason that is the one that's covered under shadow only, but it's going to be a very quick dip for me anyway today. So let's go and take a dip in Lake Flaten in Stockholm. I have also forgotten the handle for the GoPro, so I'm just handing my GoPro is in my hand now. So oh, let's see, here you can actually put the steps here, I think. Oh, but the ice is there, so I don't think it will. Oh, but the ice is melting, so let's try if we can put the steps in here and see how it goes. That was so satisfying. That was so satisfying indeed. Did you see that? Now we're gonna go into the icy water, but it's actually 5 degrees. At least that's what they have measured. Oops. Let's see. Let's clear up the front from the ice. There you go. I really hope that I won't lose my GoPro as I don't have the handle, so wish me luck for that. See, we still have ice. Still icy Stockholm despite 12 degrees Celsius. So, alright, let's then get ready for a very quick dip here. As I need to attend the Melodifestivalen 2025, the Swedish national selection for Eurovision that I'm going to see live. I'm so happy about it that I got ticket. So let's then take a very quick ice dip here in Lake Flaten at Stora Flatenbadet. Okay. Ooh. Very cold. Very cold. Very cold. Let's go. It was nice. It was nice. It was nice. Very nice. Good. Very good. Okay, so that is a wrap from this beach adventure. Very short beach adventure here in Lake Flaten on the 7th of March 2025. So thank you so much for following my beach adventures and liking, commenting and sharing my content. I'm so grateful to all my subscribers and even more thankful to my members. So yeah, now it's time to enjoy the day and get ready for Melodifestivalen and for my trip tomorrow morning as well. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, I'm going to Venice, but en route to Skopje, my home country, Macedonia. So I'm so excited about it. And let's see if there are gonna be some episodes from there. I'm not really sure exactly. Cool, thank you so much and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.